Hallo ríist, seo Jason agus ha video ach am gut ach. Hi there, hello again. I'm Jason and I have a video for you about ach, the ending ach. So this video is going to help you sharpen your pronunciation. Let's get started. So, all of these end in ach. Ach, 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 ach. And I mean, we can't forget just ach. Shinoch does as well. Leva. So, one thing I've noticed is that many learners, including myself when I started, don't pronounce the endings of Gaelic words. It's as if our ears hear everything up until the last few letters. And my personal theory is that's true. Our ear doesn't hear it fully yet until we see it and see the word, we understand it, we recognize it, and we recognize it when we hear it too. Eventually we start to say that ending, but at first we don't hear it. So, as you noticed, I'm sure in some of my videos, I overemphasize certain sounds, and this helps your ear hear it. So let's hear this ach. It sounds like that. Ach, 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 ach. That's me overemphasizing it. Ach. So if you speak other languages, you probably have something similar to this sound already. Ach. So let's look at these words here. Antoshach. 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 This means like first, or in the beginning. In the beginning, that kind of thing. First we went here, then we went there. Chai shin gan vu antoshach. We went to the shop first. We went to the store first. Chai shin gan vu antoshach. There's that och, och, och. And here we have unranoch. Unranoch. This means lonely. Unranoch. Unranoch. Nice. And it's kind of fun looking at this word. It starts with un, right? One. So it's kind of, you can think of it as like oneness. Loneliness. Just one. Unranoch. That's a nice example of ach. Ooh, kiinchoch. Use this. Oh, I highly recommend using this. Kiinchoch means certain or sure. Kiinchoch. 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 Hami kiinchoch. I'm certain, or I'm sure. Or if you're not sure about something, chaniel mi kiinchoch. Chaniel mi kiinchoch. Ach, again, there, yeah? Ooh, ashtiach. This is a good one to have. Ashtiach means like into, it's motion. Like I went into the store. Chai mi ashtiach. Ashtiach gan vu. Ashtiach. Ashtiach. And then, of course, ach. Ach, it means but. But not that kind of but. And where would we be if we didn't have our beautiful shinoch here? Shinoch. Shinoch. It's a fox. It's one name for fox. Shinoch. The Gaelic has has a number of poetic names for certain creatures, and wolves and foxes, in my opinion, have very, very beautiful ones. Yeah, shinoch. Shinoch. Fox. That's one of them. Yeah, shinoch. So, this is the ach sound. And for for us English speakers, we don't have, at least my English doesn't have a strong ach sound. So that's something I had to really hear a lot and kind of get in my head before I could say it. So that's what I recommend for you, is hear these types of words that end in ach. Just hear any Gaelic word a lot. And you get the sound in your mind a little by little, by little, by little, by little, and then eventually be able to say the whole thing. So if you've been learning Gaelic for a while and you want to sharpen your pronunciation, this is one way to do it more consciously. Right? You already know what these words mean. Okay, focus on the sounds. And that's a different skill, actually. It's a different kind of skill. And it's something you can practice consciously. First, you need to understand what they mean. Otherwise, your brain is distracted by not understanding them. And it's trying to do that first. So let it. Right, let's go over these words one more time. Ready? Antoshach, Unranach, Kinjach, Ashtiach, Ach, and Shinach. Nicely done. Practice your achs if you're at that level. Gleva.